Hi, my name is Francesca Farrago, and welcome back to the Farrago Files. So today we are driving some Ferrari, not Lamborghini. We're about to drive a Ferrari, a Lamborghini to be specific. They're Ferrari Californias. I had no idea there was such thing as a Ferrari California. We're driving them around Los Angeles, driving it around Hollywood. Gonna go see some sights, some tours, see some famous people's houses. So come with us. Let's go. Feeling good? It's low, very, very low to the ground. We're on Hollywood Boulevard, so it's nice. I feel very low to the ground, but it's fancy. There's all these buttons I've never seen before. I feel cool. It's a Ferrari California, okay? Not a Lamborghini. For whoever said Lamborghini, you were wrong. The famous Quintessentia's Apartments, where the iconic, I don't even know, Brody Jenner lives with his wife and his daughter. So I just found out that it is called the Ferrari California because California buys the most Ferraris. So they decided to dedicate a car to California, which is so cool. And I think it also means that I now need a Ferrari California. Jesus Christ. We were rolling back there for a second, weren't we? If you're looking for something to do in Los Angeles, this is a lot of fun. You could drive it yourself, or you could get someone to drive you if you don't feel comfortable driving a Ferrari. And I feel like it's more personal, and I like it. It's a lot of fun. As you can see, we have the famous Hollywood sign. Dun, 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 dun. And as we learned earlier, it used to be Hollywood Land, and now they took off the land like 100 years ago or something, and now it's just Hollywood, which makes so much more sense. So fun. This is so California of us. Look at this mansion over here. Is everybody having fun? Everybody feel safe? Cool. I actually used to live in the Hollywood Hills for a couple months when I first moved to LA, and it was crazy. The views are amazing. This is definitely the most touristy I've felt in my own city, but it's so much fun. If you've ever driven a Ferrari before, let me know in the comments or DM me, because I'm interested to see if any of you guys have driven one of these before. Another fun fact of the day, the Olympics and the World Cup is coming to Los Angeles. That's going to be crazy. The city is going to be on fire. So I'm excited for that too. All right, that was our little Ferrari tour. I'm ready to get out of here. Let's go. Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching my little Ferrari tour video. We came back to our cars because Hollywood Boulevard is so crazy. We had to escape there really quick. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to my OF, which is francesca.farrago, and you subscribe to my OF TV channel, which is the Farrago Files. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.